Welcome back, everyone. Today we have another sugar pine log on the mill. If you saw some of my other sugar pine logs I cut up, they're all from the same tree, and what we found inside was absolutely beautiful. This one should have been cut up long ago. It's been sitting around longer than it should. It has some really soft spots. Maybe you can see the sapwood is getting a little soft, but the heartwood should be good and solid. Have a few knots on it. A big knot there, a big knot there. We're at about 21 and a half on the large end, and about 20 and a half on the small end. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this log. We'll cut it open, see what it looks like, and then decide what I want to do with it. I might want to make some 1x material that would make some good paneling, or I might even cut it into big timbers like the last one. Let's get the mill going. We'll cut into this thing and see what we can find. Well, that's pretty. What do you think? You want to see it? Once again, this tree does not disappoint. That is some beautiful wood. Has a few bug holes in it. It has a big crack right here. I think I'm just going to cut these into slabs. They just look so good with their full width. Slabs it is. Cutting open these logs is kind of like opening a Christmas present. Getting to see what's inside. That would make a beautiful tabletop. It's cutting smooth over the knots. We're at about 18 inches on the small end. The heartwood's a little bit plain, but the contrast between the heartwood and the blue sapwood is beautiful. Imagine having that for a tabletop. That's not even with water on it. All right, we'll take one more slab off before I flip it. I want to apologize on behalf of the sun for all the shadows and the bad lighting. Not a lot I can do there. Just the way it is, trying to do videos on a sunny day. Let's see what we have underneath here. Now we're starting to run into some problems here. I can dent that with my thumb. We're getting into some rotten wood in the sapwood. Right between the sapwood and the heartwood, we're getting some rot in there. It's getting soft. I'll flip this over, we'll cut into the other side, see what it looks like, then we'll go from there. I might have to cut some of this sapwood off and just use the heartwood. The heartwood's really good and solid. There we have side 2. Had a little blade chatter right there. That was caused by a piece of bark that was on the track that caused the head to slow down. Turkeys are getting excited. Where was I? Oh yeah. Getting all excited over there. I don't know what's got into those turkeys. They've been running around all afternoon making all kinds of racket. Enough turkeys, let's get back to work. I don't know what would possess me to think you'd want to watch me sweep off the log every time, but here I am shooting video of me sweeping off a log. Seems like y'all get tired of that after a while. Now to the good stuff. Well, let's take one more slab off of here, then we'll go from there. On this side, we're getting some rot in here. It's pretty soft. That side of it's rotten, but the rest of it looks good. This side's rotten. I think what I'll do is cut off this rotten edge. Then I have a couple different ideas. Let's see which one looks best after I cut that off. We're down to mostly solid wood here on the edge. It's still live edge on that side. I think what I'll do is just rip this in half. Then we'll have two book matched pieces. That would make about a 32 inch wide book match tabletop. Let's do it. There it is, a 32 inch wide by 8 feet long, book matched blue sugar pine slab. Look at that big spike knot. I cut this one 3 inches thick. It's just a big, beautiful slab of wood. What's there to not like about such a big slab of wood? On this one, I cut right through the middle of the pith. Normally, when cutting slabs, you want to avoid the pith. But the other slabs I cut out of this tree, even the pith pieces dried without cracking or any noticeable warping. I don't know if that's just the nature of sugar pine or if I just got lucky with this one tree. I waited for the sun to go down before I showed you this slab. The sunlight and the lighting was just, it was cramping my style. We got some nice slabs done. We got that log out of the way. Now I can bring in some incense cedar and we'll cut that up next. And I still have 2 more logs to do from this tree. Those are the 2 biggest logs. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next video. Welcome back, everybody. Today we have another sugar pine on the log. No, we don't have it on the log. We have it on the mill. This is a sugar pine log. It's on the mill. It's not a sugar pine on the log at all. Oh boy.